Sending money from the USA to Sri Lanka can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin with, you will need to choose a suitable method for transferring funds, such as using a bank, online money transfer services, or a remittance service. First, determine the amount you want to send and the exchange rate, as this will affect the total cost of the transaction. Compare the exchange rates and fees of different service providers to find the best option. Next, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Sri Lanka. If you are using a bank, you will need the recipient's bank name, branch name, and SWIFT code. For online money transfer services, you may need to provide the recipient's mobile number or email address. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, create an account with your chosen service provider if you do not already have one. This will typically involve providing some personal and identification details. After setting up your account, initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. Review the transfer details carefully, including the exchange rate, fees, and expected delivery time. Then, pay for the transfer using a debit or credit card, bank account, or other accepted payment methods. You will receive a confirmation of the transfer, which you should keep for your records. Finally, inform the recipient of the transfer and provide them with the reference number or tracking number, so they can track the status of the transfer. The recipient can then receive the funds in their bank account, mobile wallet, or pick up the cash at a designated location, depending on the service provider's options. It is essential to research and choose a reputable service provider that is licensed and regulated, to ensure the security and reliability of the transfer. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits, and comply with all applicable laws and regulations, including tax obligations and anti-money laundering requirements. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can send money from the USA to Sri Lanka quickly, securely, and efficiently.